Get her! Get her! Get her, Ty! Yay! Ty, you did it! Oh, dancing. Go!
Okay, pull himself up.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Yay! Ty, you did it! You did it, Ty.
33. Mom, it took 33.
Good job, Ava. Good counting. Oh, I'm too busy dancing.
Do you want to see these sweet moves first?
Can you pull yourself up? Like this thing? Watch that tape.
Turn it around so the seat part. He can pull himself up from the seat part.
Pull yourself up. Pull yourself up. Go.
Tayo.
Tayo, si Tyler.
Come on, Ty. Tay.
Ooh, fish shivers.
Down. Up. Down. Jacket. Stop. And then up. Stop. Come on, pull yourself up. You can do it. We need Abby's help. Here, hold my hands. Hold my hands. Tyler, what's acting? What's acting? He's like, just let him have it. He's like, whoa.
Where'd it go?
Cross your legs. Look at, you see how his legs keep doing the same thing? It's like a pattern.
You did it! Dance it down.
Whenever he looks at you, it looks like he's waiting for it. He's like, I'm waiting for an applause.
He's waiting for you to tell him good job, and then he dances.
He's like,
Watch what he say.
Tyler. Where's Mommy?
Ty. Yay, you did it! Yay! Hold the chair still, Ava. Hold the chair still.
come on, Ty, you can do it. Pull yourself up.
Push it a little closer.
He
There.
says,
Now hold it still. Right there. Hold it still. Come on, Ty. Oh.
Dad.
Pull it back just a bit, Evelyn. Right there. Now hold it really still. Good job, Ty. Oh, good job. Oh, it's all right, Evie. It's all right. It's all right. Let him. Gonna walk. We're gonna push it.
Move your feet.
Next to it, Ava.
Crash.
I was like this.
Ty, you did
Daddy,
it.
I was like this.
Good job, buddy.
Come get it.
Good little mommy.
Dang it, the arm didn't move.
Oh, that was so funny. He almost flipped over like a rapper. That was so funny.
You a break dancer?
The arm didn't make it. It's again.
Hold the chair, Ava. Tai-Tai.
What's that guy from the movie? From what movie? Bob? What movie is he from?
Bob?
Bob. What movie is he from?
I don't know.
Bob in the movie where there's two girls. Where there's one girl and one guy and they have to get married. Remember Bob?
Oh, the proposal?
Yeah.
I don't know who Bob is, though.
Bob, the one who got fired.
Oh, yeah.
What movie is he from?
The Last Airbender.
Oh, yeah.
Come here. Dancey dance. Dance. Dancey dance. Dance. Dancey dance. 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 Where are you going? Where are you going? You are all over the place. Come here. You got it.
Did you stand up and walk? Push. Push. Push up. Push up. Push. Push. Tighten. Tyler. Tyler. Push.
Mommy, that's the same.
Tyler.
No, let's let him try it himself.
Yeah, you want to jump?
To the window. To the wall. To the window. To the wall.
Come on, step up. You can do it.
Tayo. Tyler, tayo.
Tayo.
Mom, your
Tayo niya.
feet are so small.
Cute, huh?
Woo!
Tai-Tai, bye-bye. Tai-Tai, bye-bye. Hey, Tai-Tai. Tai-Tai.
What do you want?
Big guy. Tai-Tai, where are you? All I can see is Michaela's butt. Tai-Tai. Bye-bye. Hey, buddy. Tai-Tai. Tai-Tai. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye.